Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can fix screen tearing on Overwatch 2. So at first go to your laptop and search for NVIDIA control panel and then tap on open. Once it does, go to manage 3D settings and then go to program settings. From there, click on select a program to customize, and from here select Overwatch .exe. I don't have it right now, but once you add it, what you want to do is go back, go down until the very end where you see vertical sync. Tap on this one and then on the drop down and select fast, and this should solve the problem for you. If it still doesn't, then just go to Dev and Device Manager, open it, and then you'll see display adapters. Tap on it and then go to NVIDIA GeForce, whatever you're using, and then right click on your mouse and then go to update driver and then search automatically, and there you go. This should solve the screen tearing problem in Overwatch for you. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.